Hello, guys, and my CEOs and learners. Welcome to my next playlist of learning and practicing CSS with the advanced practice. In this playlist, you can learn many different ways how to use CSS, and we will learn more only practices, and we may learn new things too. If you're ready, let's get started for the first day of CSS practice. Okay, first of all, I would like to suggest and advise to you to open a new folder in a place that you liked. So I'm going to open the desktop. So I'll write CSS practice. Okay, we have opened, and then I'm going to enter inside and I'm going to open a new one folder, which is CSS First Practice. And the next thing we need to do, just drag and drop to our VS Code. And then we need to wait a bit. We're gonna hit this one. And I'm going to explain in this video what kind of practice or what kind of thing we are going to make or create. So as you can see, this is just a simple thing, and I will explain what is this. So this is just a keyboard on our keyboards on our laptops, and it's just made with divs. And the next thing is a laptop. They call Acer, right? So first of all, before writing the code, I'm going to predict what kind of code I'm going to write in our HTML file and in our CSS file. So quick prediction. First, as you can see, we have big two divs. The first div is this div, which is containing this 4 or 5 divs, and the next big div is this, the laptop, and inside there's small div and text, right? Okay, I think you understand what I'm going to practice and what we are going to learn today. Okay, now let's open new file. Yes, I trust the authors. So we'll write index.html, and the next thing is style.css, right? The same as we learned in our previous videos. So now I'm going to make it in the live server, and I'm going to make it a bit bigger for you to see better. Okay, next thing that we need to do in our HTML, just open the content of the HTML, which is the necessary necessary codes, main codes, I mean. This one, sometimes it's loading a bit slow, and then we'll give the practice 1 the title. Okay, now let's start coding, right? So do not forget to link your CSS file with your HTML, and then let's start. So first, what we are going to do here is open a one div for keyboards. Okay, I will write keyboards, the class name, and inside of the keyboards there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 divs. So I'm going to write here the same class name with the divs, 6 divs. So I'm going to write keys and multiplies with 6. And as you can see, we have did it. It's a shortcut in order to do this. As you can see, just multiply with 6 and then just press enter after this, and then it gives a div with 6 line and the class same thing, right? And inside, I'm going to write with H1 Q. And I will just come here, open, copy, and we will fix the letters, the values. Okay. Let's try the last one. So WERTY. Okay. Expand here. W or T. What? Now it's fine, and let's check the output. Everything fine, and it's working. Now we see the output. The next thing I'm going to do is this picture for computer laptop or computer laptop, doesn't, right? Okay, let's remove some spaces, and out of this div, which is keyboard div, I have to write laptop. And inside of the laptop, there's one div which is called for the text of the Acer. Okay, let's write that text. Inside of the text, I'm going to write Acer. Now let's check the output. It's fine, right? Okay, let's finish the designing. Okay, I'm going to first of all copy the keyboard div, and then let's go up here. And now, before this, I have to write main CSS basics that types, which is origin, box adding 0 pixel, and box sizing border box. If you want, we can put pixels. If you don't, not it. That works as usual. The next thing is for keyboards. You need to design this kind of keyboard. Before starting, I'm going to open one div again in order to cover both of the divs. So how we can do this as a button set. So write main content, and just copy all our code inside of this. So we have the divs. I'll just cut it and paste it. Now I will write first the first command one, and now I will write the code for main, and I will give width, height 100%. In height, I want to do 100 VH. Just I'm going to give border with 1 solid red in order to see. Let's check, and it's working fine. Next, write flex in order to make center down. Split flex, specify content center, and align item center, and the flex direction should be column. Okay, let's check. Now it's fine. There's no any kind of changes, just they made into the center. And now let's go for keyboards. I'm going to write width. For example, size can be 300 feet. Not 300, probably 250 pixels. And height can be 50 pixels. And there is the border, as you can see, the black border with 3 pixels. Okay, let's write down 4 pixels solid color of 00. And this, let's check. Now it's fine. That's small, right? So made it 450 pixels, which is good. And the next thing that I'm going to do is to design the keys. So I think it was keys. Yeah, it was keys. And I'm going to give the same width, the same height with 50 pixels. Height 50, not 50. Okay, make it 40 because in order to see the press. Okay, 40 pixels. We made this 50 to 60 pixels. And give the borders for them with the color of gray with 2 pixels, solid gray. Now it's fine. And then let's give for this display flex. It's fine. And just write down justify like that space between. It's good. And a line item center. That's fine, right? And the next thing that we need to do, as you can see here, it's fully covered. They're mostly here, so we can do 100 pixels and make this same to 60, and this one is 50. Now it's fine. And there's some border radius, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, there's some border radius for that. So let's give border radius can be 11 pixels. Oh, sorry, 7 is enough. Okay, it's fine. The next thing that we need to do, as you can see, it's all of the letters are in the center. So how we can do this? So easy to do. So just need to write again keys. Keys dot code 81 should be text align in the center. Now it's fine, right? But still not in the center because there are some of them on top or like this. So we can give another option like with the padding, but padding. Not for this keys. Padding top results. That's fine. That's the same as we expected, right? Well, we can make a bit bigger height percent. Yes. Now it's fine. The next thing that I'm going to do is laptop. So first of all, before starting, I'm going to use this one, which is I think. While I'm recording screen, it doesn't work. Can be. So I don't use this because I will just give a color with the color 000 or 0303. I'm not going to say it's like this. Okay, let's go down and write down code for this. Laptop, and I'm going to give width. The width can be 700 pixels, and the height can be half of 700, right? And the background color is maybe 0303. Let's check the output. Okay, not 03. Good. Now here, you can, if you don't know the color and this, so yeah, this one, 1C. Let's check. Yeah, it's fine, right? And the next thing that we need to do is I think it's like, okay, make the 450, not half of this because it's being small, and that's fine. And also 50, and this one also we need to give the border radius with 20 pixels. Yes, the same as we expected. And we need to make some, you can see they're like this. We need to make some space between them. Already top, 30 pixels. Oh, it's fine. The next thing that we need to do is this one, right? Yeah. So I will just come here and the div class name is text. I will copy, and then I will write down here the width and the height. So the width is, let's predict, can be 120 pixels. If it's not much, I will make it smaller. The height can be 40 pixels. Oh, not 40, 30 pixels. The background color is gray, as we know. Okay, now the height is, I think, for this fine. And make it the border radius with 9 pixels. No, 7 pixels. Okay, and the text of the H1 should be in the center. Now it's good. And the last thing we need to do is we need to put here. I mean, this thing you need to speak here. So just I will give what. So if I want, I can make with position relative. So I can give for text position relative with top can be 300 pixels. Oh, 300 much. Can be 150, no, 220. And just left with both left. Yeah, why it's on here? It's just because semicolon. Forgot this. Left 8 pixels. Now we have created what we wanted. It's not the same, but similar, right? Now what we learned in this thing. So I think we did it with 20 minutes or 30 minutes, I don't know. But I can say that here we did it. So we have main, we have keyboards, keys H1, laptop, text H1. So we reviewed some of our reviews, which is display flags, text alignments, the length units, margins, paddings, and position relative, and colors, some of them. So I hope if you found it beneficial this video, please share with your friends. And please click the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the like button below for more. Thank you. Have a great day. See you in the next videos.